Have you ever had a dream that felt so big, so overwhelming, you didn't even know where to begin? Let me tell you a little story. It starts in a quiet town with a student just like you. This student had a huge dream to finally master English. It felt impossible, a mountain too high to climb. But instead of getting discouraged, they decided to start small, very small. Every single morning, the alarm went off at 6 o'clock. Sharp, a new day, a new chance. By 7, with one warm cup of coffee in hand, they were ready. At 8, they opened just one book. That was the rule. One book, one step at a time. On the very first day, the goal wasn't to become fluent. It was simply to learn 10 new words. That's it. Just 10. It felt manageable, almost easy. On the second day, they learned 20 words. And by the third day, 30 words were already locked in their memory. Now, here's where the magic of consistency kicks in. This student dedicated for hours every single day to practice not just reading, but listening, speaking, and writing. After 5 days, something shifted. It wasn't just about the words anymore. They felt a new kind of strength building inside. After 6 days, that strength turned into real confidence. They started to believe, hey, I can actually do this. There are 7 days in a week, right? Well, in just 1 week, that student did something they never thought possible. They spoke English for 8 minutes straight without stopping. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. The words flowed. After 9 days, they could understand 10 full sentences from a movie. Think about that. 10 days ago, English was this scary, confusing monster. Now, it was becoming a friend. The progress just kept rolling. In 20 days, they could confidently count money in English, a practical skill that opened up a new world. In 30 days, a month after starting, they could look at a clock and tell the time without even thinking about it. In 40 days, their confidence soared. They had conversations with 50 new people, strangers who became practice partners. Each conversation was a small victory, a testament to their daily effort. 100 days passed by in a flash. 100 days of waking up at 6, of drinking that one cup of coffee, of opening that one book. The student paused and looked back. They saw the long road they had traveled not as a grueling climb, but as a series of small, steady steps. And they smiled because they had learned the most important lesson of all, a secret that applies to any big dream you have. It's this: small steps plus daily practice equals big, life-changing results. It all started with one dream. It was built with 2 hands, willing to do the work. It was fueled by 3 deep breaths whenever things got tough. And it resulted in one brand new future. So what's your one dream? What's the first small step you can take today? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Start small. And watch how your world begins to change. Thank you so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration. Let's build our dreams together, one day at a time.